Okay, we have here the viewpoint, which is 2,748 square feet. Let's get in here, see what we got going. This should be let's see if it's a third floor model or not.
Obviously, but you must be doing well.
Come on in.
Okay, where's yours next door?
Yeah.
Okay, we got ourselves a living room here. Hi there. We have a full bathroom downstairs. So let's go down there. 0 step-in tub, which is what everyone needs. And this, you know what, it's too much. And it's not in the garage. I am going to have to bet this is kind of like almost a next-gen suite in this model, because they don't do this many changes for the sales office because they have to turn this back into a house to sell. So this could be like a next-gen suite. This is a nice entryway. Now that's the sales office. So this would be the garage and the sales office would be back there. Let's see, it's got a little like Lifestyles of Rich and Famous here for a second. So let's go ahead and get to the second floor. And then we can get out. This area of town does not require a blank approval for the FAA, so hopefully I can get that drone up so you see what the community and everything around it looks like. So walk into a little family living room situation here. Walk around so you can see all of it. Gotta try that little mini coffee collection. Okay, we're going out. So we're on the second floor on this one, so we kind of lose that view that you got from the third floor. But still nice out here. So remember, if you want that view, get something closer to that side or get a third floor. Now this one is big. It's like 2,700 square feet. Man, that's like a 4 or 5 bedroom house for most people. Come here into the, I don't even want to call this one a laundry room anymore. This is your project craft room that happens to have a washer and dryer in it. So let's start counting. 1 bedroom downstairs. Second bedroom here. They kind of have it as a little chill space, but of course you can do whatever you want with it. Bathroom, tub, and I'm sure a shower. Yeah, but no 0 step in. At least you got a tub. Some people like that tub. This little suite here has a walk-in closet. So we have 2 bedrooms now. We're walking into our 3rd bedroom. And the 3rd bedroom has its own little jam going on here. Now this must be the owner's suite. In case you didn't know, we're not supposed to say master bedroom anymore. And, oh, look at that. You see up there, we got 2 showers, so rainfall and kind of a regular shower. 2 sinks going on here. Nice little countertop. That's stone, so that's real. I believe these are real stone too. Could be ceramic, but you can do some amazing. Okay, what's up with this? This is a military flight jacket, kinda. It's not a real military flight jacket, but it's the same style. What are you ripping off? A little bit of fake veteran there. But everyone don't get a flight jacket. So you actually get 3 flight jackets. Let's see here. See, these are soft clothes. Hey, even these are soft clothes. Yeah, so you get your leather jacket. You get your lightweight green jacket. Sometimes it gets cold on a plane. And you get your winter jacket. Okay. Let's see if we got all soft clothes here. Well, there's a snack there, but we do have soft clothes. Look at that. So, soft clothes everywhere. Gas countertop or cooktop. Built-in oven. So this does not have the dual like the last place we looked at. We already talked about the outdoor situation here. Oh, yep, there's more here. So coming off the elevator, you actually come to a half bath and a closet. I was hoping there was going to be a 4th bedroom in here because of its size. So I guess they felt it was just enough to put in 3, but hey, whatever we can get, right? On the 2nd floor. This time I'll walk down. Say do a little walk and talk. It's not too bad here. So you got a nice little kind of townhome situation. Okay, so these are the homes that we have. Of course, this was the viewpoint. 2,748 square feet of the modern collection. I don't know if they have any other collections that they're trying to push right now. So there must be other collections. So like right there we have the resort. So that's the resort collection. It's not open today. Too bad I can't walk you through that. And they probably had more down there at one point. But got plenty here to see. So if you're interested in seeing any of these homes, just head on out and see us.